never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Yan. So, yan yung space ng kanyang gitna. So, yan po kalaki yung space ng ating every wagon mga kol. Kaya sulit na sulit yung every wagon natin. So, yan kahit may kamahalan, ganda pa rin. Yan o. Yan yung space. Kasya yung isang motor dyan. Kung mamelengke kayo, grabe. Maraming maisakay dyan. May mga nakita ko na user na daming kinarga. Halos yung paninda nila, yung mga ukay-ukay na paninda, daming nilagay nila, halos hanggang hanggang sa rope na yung kanilang mga cargo. Ayan. So, yan sa package natin. Meron tayong 7 inches touchscreen stereo with reverse camera. Ayan. So, pakita natin yung ating 4x4 switch dito sa gilid. Ayan. Yan. Parang uulan na. So, yan. All power, power window, power mirror. Yan. Meron siyang auto fold ng ating mirror. Ito yung ating 4x4 switch. Beam adjuster sa ating headlight. Yan, pag mag 4x4 tayo, mag-upper dyan dito sa ating panel gauge. Ayan. So, aircon yung ating unit. Yan o, napakalamig ng aircon. Kung napansin nyo mga kol, yan, may dumi pa o. Ayan. Kung napansin nyo, nag-moist yung ating dashboard. Ayan o, nag-moist dahil sa lamig ng aircon. Ayan. Ito yung ating shift lever. Ayan. Aircon. Easy switch, then blower switch. So, ito yung ating clutch pedal, brake pedal, at saka yung ating accelerator. Din yung ating upuan, new seat cover na po siya. Ayan. Yan. So, sa ganitong setup mga kol, yung presyo is 320. So, hindi siya mura. Kasi sa mga automatic transmission na ganitong setup mga kol, nasa 260 lang po yung ganito. So sa mga manual, very rare units, bihira lang po yung manual na darating dito sa atin. So yan, napakamahal pag mayroong darating, kasi agawan din kami dun sa aming supplier, kaya siya mahal. So sa package natin sa 320, mag wheels, touchscreen stereo with reverse camera, weight carrier, new seat cover, ayan. So complete LTO registered, kayo yung first user dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan. So yan yung presyohan natin. Medyo may kamahalan siya mga kol, pero sulit talaga yung ganitong unit, kasi magagamit mo talaga pang praktikalan. Marami kayong maisakay, pwede pang outing, pwede gawing camper van. Ayan. So kaya ang daming bumili ng ganitong unit sa ngayon. Ang dami talaga. Halos dito sa amin sa Davao, kapag magbiyahe po kayo dito sa highway namin, napakaswerte lang kung hindi kayo makakita ng walang every wagon na yung tawag nyo, makasalubong. Walang every wagon, bihira lang talaga. Halos dito sa amin, halos makita every wagon talaga yung mga halos service dito, kasi ang ganda talaga pang praktikalan mga kol. Kaya ako, kaya ko bumili ng kotse, pero hindi ako bumili ng kotse kasi ang sarap ng mga ganitong unit. Japan original made. Kaya kung may balak kayo bumili mga kol, pwede sa akin, pwede sa ibang seller. Ayan, ganito yung bibilin nyo. Then make sure na quality din yung unit para hindi masayang yung inyong pinagbibili. Yung conversion, number 1 is secondary gearbox, pintura, makina, new change oil, dapat nakakulant na yan pag nyo. Then with warranty, kasi kadalasan yan, kasi sa amin ilang araw lang yan dito sa amin magagamit, kaya bibigay kami ng warranty. At least kung meron mang problema after mga 1 month kasi yung warranty natin, kung mayroon mang mga problema na makita, maasikaso natin. Halimbawa niyan, malayo kayo, ipagawa na lang natin dyan sa inyo, tapos magre-refund na lang ako sa gastos, or magpapadala kami ng pesa kung kailangan. Ayan po yung ating gawa mga kol. So yan lang po yung ating video siguro sa ngayon, kasi parang uulan na. So sa bago lang sa ating channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Din pindutin na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next video uploads kagaya ito. So ingat po mga kol, and bye bye. God bless po.